Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2008 question 10 marks question from topic beta and gamma function. Here in the given question, determine the value of integration 0 to 1 x square upon bracket 1 minus x e power 4 whole bracket 1 by 2 dx into integration 0 to 1 dx bracket 1 plus x e power 4 whole bracket 1 by 2. Let's solve the problem. Let I is equal to I1 into I2. This is question 1. From here, that is I1 is equal to 0 to 1 x square upon 1 minus x e power 4 1 by 2 dx, and I2 is equal to 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x e power 4 1 by 2. We have to find the value of I1 and I2 and put the value of I1 and I2 in equation 1. We have to get the value of the given integration. First solve I1, putting x square is equal to sin theta, then x is equal to root of sin theta, differentiation with respect to theta, that is dx is equal to, when in differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, that is root sin theta, that is 1 upon 2 root sin theta, and again differentiation of sin theta is cos theta d theta. Putting the above result in I1, that is I1 is equal to, changing limits, when putting x is equal to 0, that is theta is equal to 0, and when putting x is equal to 1, that is theta is equal to pi by 2, that is limit 0 to pi by 2. In place of x square, putting sin theta upon 1 minus x square is equal to sin theta, that is sin square theta 1 by 2, and in place of dx written as 1 by 2 root sin theta cos theta d theta. From here, that is limit 0 to pi by 2, and sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and cos square theta to the power 1 by 2, that is cos theta, and 1 by 2 is common out, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here remaining is root sin theta, that is sin theta की power 1 by 2, and in numerator cos theta is already present, cos theta d theta. From here, cos theta to cos theta is cancelled out, then 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, sin theta, and this is sin theta. From denominator we into numerator, that is sin theta की power minus of 1 by 2 d theta, that is I1 is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, base are same, then power are add, that is sin 1 by 2 theta d theta. Using the formula, that is 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta and cos q theta d theta is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 upon 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Using this formula, we have to find the value of from here, that is I1 is equal to 1 by 2 is already present, and using the formula, that is from here, that is let cos theta is 0, then putting gamma p plus 1 by 2, that is from here p is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2, and from here that is q is 0, so only 1 by 2 is remaining, and from formula, that is 2 gamma p is 1 by 2 and q is 0 plus 2 upon 2. We have to solve, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, and gamma 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 upon 2 is, that is 3 by 4 into gamma 1 by 2 upon, from here, that is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 upon 2 is gamma 5 by 4. Using the formula, that is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n in the above, that is I1 is equal to 1 by 4 is already present, that is root gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon 5 by 4 is written as 1 upon 4 plus 1. Nothing to change, that is 4 1 is 4 and plus 1 is 5 by 4 in the form of gamma n plus 1 written as n gamma n. So 1 by 4 gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon, using formula n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, that is 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is cancelled out, that is the value of I1 is gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon gamma 1 by 4, and we have to solve I2. We have to solve I2, that is I2 is equal to 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x e power 4 the whole power 1 by 2. From here, putting x square is equal to 10 5, then x is equal to root 10 5. Differentiating with respect to 5, that is dx is equal to root 10 5 is 1 upon 2 root 10 5, and differentiation of 10 5 is sec square 5 d 5. Changing the limit, when putting x is 0, then theta is 0, then putting x is 1 and theta is pi by 4. Then changing limit, that is I2 is equal to 0 to pi by 4 and 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is x square in place of tan phi, that is 1 plus tan square phi power 1 by 2, and in place of dx putting 1 by 2 root tan phi into sec square phi d phi. Using the result from here, that is I2 is equal to 0 to pi by 4, 1 plus tan square phi is sec square phi, and sec square phi to the power 1 by 2, that is sec phi 1 upon sec phi and into 1 upon 1 by 2 is common out, that is 1 by 2 is equal to root 10 phi is written as sin phi upon cos phi, and here that is sec square phi is already present, sec square phi d phi. From here sec square phi to sec phi cancel out, that is remaining is I2 is equal to 1 by 2 0 to pi by 4, here that is 1 upon under root sin phi upon cos phi, and here sec phi is remaining, that is 1 upon cos phi d theta d phi. Cos phi is written as, we have to write cos phi is root cos phi into root cos phi, then I2 is equal to 1 by 2 limit 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, that is root cos phi into root cos phi, that is 1 cos phi is root cancel out, that is remaining 1 upon sin phi into cos phi d phi. From here, that is I2 is equal to 1 by 2 is written as root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 is common out, that is 0 to pi by 4, and root 2 multiply into root, that is 2 sin phi into cos phi into d phi. This is the formula of sin 2 theta, sin 2 phi. Sin 2 phi is written as 2 sin phi into cos phi. That is I2 is equal to 1 by root 2 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4, sorry, 0 to pi by 4 and 1 upon root sin 2 phi d phi. From here 2 phi is equal to alpha, then 2 d phi is equal to d alpha, and we have to remove d phi, that is d phi is equal to d alpha upon 2. From changing limit, when putting phi is 0, then alpha is 0, and putting when phi is pi by 4, then alpha is pi by 2. Changing limit, that is I2 is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and 1 upon under root sin alpha, and d phi is written as d alpha upon 2, and 1 by root 2 is already present. 1 by root 2 I2 is equal to then I2 is equal to 2 is also common out, that is 1 upon 2 root 2 limit 0 to pi by 2, and root 1 upon root sin alpha is written as sin की power sin minus 1 by 2 alpha d alpha. Using formula of the 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta d theta is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 upon gamma 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Here that is 1 upon 2 gamma 2, and applying the formula, that is p plus 1 by 2, that is in place of p, that is minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is gamma, and gamma in place of q, that is 0, that is gamma 1 by 2, and 2 gamma in place of p, that is minus 1 by 2, and q is 0 and 2 is already present upon 2. When solving, that is 1 upon 2 root 2, from here that is 2 under 2, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and upon 2 is, that is gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 2 is already present upon, from here that is 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 upon 2 is 2 gamma 3 by 4. From here 2 to 2 cancel out, that is the value of I2 is 1 upon root 2 gamma 1 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon gamma 3 by 4. Putting the above result in equation 1, putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation 1, that is I is equal to I1 is gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon gamma 1 by 4, and I2 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gamma 1 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 upon gamma 3 by 4. From here gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 3 by 4 is cancelled out, and gamma 1 by 4 and gamma 1 by 4 is also cancelled out. So remaining is I is equal to gamma 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2, and 1 by root 2 is already present, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 root 2 is present, when putting the value of gamma 1 by 2 is pi. So one second. Gamma 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 and gamma 1 by 4, that is 1 upon, no, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is, that is 1 by 4, sorry, cancel out not, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2, putting this is 4 root 2, cancel out, remaining this is 4, and gamma 1 by 2 is written as pi, so the value of the given integral is pi into pi, that is pi square upon 4 root 2. This is the required solution of the given integral with the help of beta and gamma function. In the above equation, we have to use three formula. First, 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q d theta is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 upon 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. And another formula is gamma 1 by 2 is written as pi by pi, and also one more formula used, that is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. This is the required solution of the given integral. Thank you class.